You have to get in the car where you're gonna go. Come on. Good morning. Welcome to another day of Vlogmas. It is too early for this, but good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I just took Leia to school, my little boy and I, and now I'm back home and I'm about to get some editing done on the vlog that you guys are gonna see today. So hold on, I need to turn this down. Today I want to get a few things done that I've been putting off. I need to get an oil change. I need to get my car cleaned, like on the inside. I want to get it detailed, and then I have to, what else do I need to do? Oh, and then I also want to go to the gym. I'm gonna schedule an oil change and tire rotation, bring my laptop with me to the gym, to the dealership, and then once I leave there, then I can go get my car detailed, and then I can go to the gym. Yes, because I need to get this done. I want to have it done at least before next week, because I feel like if I wait any longer, like I'm gonna keep putting it off. I'm gonna make my appointment for 8:30. So we'll do that. I'll just bring my laptop and stuff with me, and then we will go and get my car detailed at this place that's not too far from my house. So I'll get that done, and then when I come home, I'm gonna go to the gym. So I'll just wear my workout outfit while I run my errands. That way I don't have to come home and change. So yeah, anyway, you guys, good morning. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I think I said that already. I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee really quick. Here's my little outfit of the day. I'm just wearing this green Nike sweatshirt. I've had it for forever. I can never find a link for it. I think Nike may have stopped making this style, but the leggings and sports bra, I'm actually just wearing this set by Gymshark. I've had it for a while also, but I think they still have it on their website, so I'll link it, because these are super comfortable and super stretchy leggings and top. And then I just have my sweatshirt sort of like tucked under, and then I'm wearing my slouchy socks and my bag, Gucci sunglasses. I haven't worn these in a while, and they have like a gradient lens. And then what else? Oh, let's grab my coffee. I'm probably just gonna put my Uggs on and bring my gym shoes with me. Kind of want to be comfortable while I'm sitting at the dealership, as well as when I go and get my car detailed. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna wear. So this is the outfit of the day. Let's go run some errands. I come and get my car serviced at the dealership, my seat is always up super close to the steering wheel. And I have long legs, so I'm like, who the hell moves my seat or needs my seat moved up all the way like that? Anyway, leaving the dealership. They wash my car at the dealership every time I come here to get it serviced, so I don't need to get a car wash, but I do need to get the insides cleaned. I'm gonna go over to the place near my house that does the detailing and get that done. I got a good bit of my vlog edited that's gonna go up today, so right now I'm gonna just go and get my car detailed, and then I'll head over to the gym, and then I'm gonna go home, shower, do all that, and then finish editing my vlog. I kind of want to go to the coffee shop and edit my vlog just so that I'm not sitting in the house all day. Like, I want to get out, and I really like the coffee shop that I go to that's not too far from my house, so I think that's what I'll do. But I want to make sure that I get a workout in because I have not been to the gym. It's been over a week and that's just not good. So one of my plans was to do some Christmas shopping today as well, so I need to get my vlog edited and uploaded, and the internet at the coffee shop is just so good, so I really just want to go there and get this done. But oh, I think they're closed on Monday. Oh, I think the coffee shop is closed on Mondays. I just thought about that. Darn it. I don't know. I feel like I'm spending so much of my time or so much of my day editing, and I'm not getting the content that I want to get because I'm editing for hours. So my goal is to close out this vlog pretty early and then edit it tonight, get it up already tonight, so then tomorrow I'm not having to spend my whole day editing throughout the main part of the day, because I want to get some Christmas shopping done tomorrow. So I think that's what we'll do in tomorrow's vlog. We are getting stuff done. I'm so glad that I got my oil change because I always get so stressed about any type of maintenance. Like, whenever I have to get any maintenance on my car, I have anxiety, and now that it's over, I'm like, okay, good, everything is fine. There are no major, I don't know, there is nothing major that needs to get done with my car, which is another reason why I really love my car, because I had my car in next month, it'll be 3 years that I've had my car, and my baby takes care of me, okay? Gets me everywhere I need to go. My baby has been loyal and reliable. They called me so many times last week and were like, oh, do you want to trade your car in or whatever? We have your car is in high demand right now. And I'm like, no. The only way that I would trade my car in is if I were getting the car that is on my wish list. If I'm not getting that car or one better, then no. So I ended up coming back home because my favorite coffee shop is not open on Mondays. And then I was gonna go to this other coffee shop, but I don't feel like driving all the way out there. Then I'm gonna have to come back. It's just too much that goes into it. So I'm gonna do my editing from home today. But I need something on my lips. They ended up doing my car. It took them 15 minutes to do my car. So I guess it wasn't too bad today. So my car is clean on the inside, clean on the outside. And it just feels so good to know that that is taken care of. Another thing that I need to do, which I probably won't get to today, is I need to go and buy gingerbread houses, because if you guys haven't seen the previous vlogs, I'm actually hosting Christmas at my house, or Christmas Eve at my house. We're doing the annual gingerbread house contest, and I have to get the gingerbread houses. So I'm gonna run to the store later, maybe, or I might just save that until tomorrow when I do all my Christmas shopping. I think I will, because I want to get my work done today. So I'm gonna sit here and finish editing. Oh shoot, my camera's about to die. But it is 3:21 and I'm exporting my vlog right now. I'm gonna upload it and then time to go to the gym. I'm gonna get my workout in. Leia has practice today. So actually Leia has practice and she has tumbling today, so she doesn't need to be picked up until 8:30. So I have, why is it so dark? I have more than enough time to go to the gym, and I was thinking that I can stop at Sephora and get the eye cream that I originally wanted from the Inky list because I got the wrong one. So I was thinking that I could do that because I think the sale ends tomorrow, and if I'm not able to go tomorrow and get that, even though tomorrow is supposed to be the day that I do my Christmas shopping, but I kind of just want the right eye cream. And the sale ends tomorrow, but I kind of want to go today. And Leia has a few things on her Christmas list that she wants from Sephora, and I'm like, I better take advantage of the sale while it's going on and get the things that I'm going to get her off of her list. So yeah, we'll see. But I'm gonna see how I'm feeling after I leave the gym, because I still have to come home, take a shower, and then go back out. And it's freezing outside, you guys. Like, it's so sunny. It's so sunny outside. You would think that the weather was nice. Like, we are being bamboozled. It is cold, but it looks so nice. It's just brick out there. That's the only thing. Milo and I went for a walk, and I was like, okay, we gotta hurry it up, buddy. I can't do this. I can't take this much longer. But yeah, I'm so glad that my video is done. It didn't take me too long to edit it. That's one of the things that I've been loving about Vlogmas, is it does not take me a long time to edit my videos now. Whereas like when I'm doing a full weekly vlog, y'all, it takes me hours, days, hours to edit. And with Vlogmas, I'm like pumping these videos out. I'm so proud of me. Yes? Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. What do you want to say to mommy? Tell mommy. Okay. I just pulled up to pick Leia up from practice. She usually gets a ride with her friend. They both go to the same tumbling, so her friend's mom will usually pick them up and then take them to tumbling. But her friend isn't going, I guess, to tumbling today. So I just came to pick her up, and then she has tumbling tonight. So I'm thinking, and I just left the gym, and I felt like I was gonna vomit. Like, I don't know. I felt so sick working out. I'm like, I don't know what it is, but it was so weird. I felt like I was gonna vomit, and I'm still feeling nauseous, and I wasn't even going super hard. I was doing cardio, and then I started taking it easy, and I don't know why, but like even now I feel sick. Like I feel like I'm gonna, I don't know. Anyway, and I was gonna go to Trader Joe's and get some stuff because I kind of wanted to make a cocktail tonight, but I'm feeling kind of queasy, and I think I just need to take a break. Like, I don't know, I think I need to like give my body a break and give myself a break, because I've just been doing a lot. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna call it a night and pick back up on the vlog tomorrow, because I just don't feel good. Maybe a cocktail will make me feel better. And one of you guys actually tagged me. Oh, these nails are really pretty. But one of you guys actually tagged me in a cocktail. It's like a winter spritz, but I can't even find it now. I know Instagram has this thing now where, let me see, tags and mentions. Bam, here it is. I found it. It's I don't even know what is it called? It's called a partridge in a pear tree spritzer. I need to save this, because if I don't make it tonight, then I will definitely be making it tomorrow. All right, well, I don't know. I don't want to just ramble on, so I will talk to you guys. Okay. all back home. Now Leia's saying that she's not feeling too good, and that's just what we need for me to not be feeling good, and then Leia also not feel good. So I think we're just gonna call it a night. I'm gonna take my shower and just lay on the couch and watch TV or a Christmas movie until I fall asleep. I'm just gonna pick the vlog back up tomorrow, or start up a new vlog tomorrow. This one is just gonna be, hopefully it's not too short. I can't remember all the footage that I had from today, but I do know that I need to go ahead and cut it, like end it for the night. But I do want to do our advent calendar, or do my advent calendar for the night. What's today? This is Vlogmas Day 11. For you guys, I think it's Vlogmas Day 12. Okay, you ready? Mom has a cookie for you. Do you want it? Let me put it over here on your little mat. Okay, there you go. I need to put some water in the bowl. So that's done, and I'm excited to open Vlogmas Day 17.
Why?
Because it's a big box. I want to know what's in there. Do you see Vlogmas Day 11? Or am I tripping?
It's 11?
Yeah, right? Because I just opened Milo's 11. Oh, ooh.
It blends in a little bit.
Okay, let's see.
That's a big one.
This is a big one. Shampoo. It's a hydrating shampoo for long, dry, or frizzy hair. Never heard of it, but
Look, your line.
okay. What is that? What is yours?
It's like a dog.
Oh,
outfit.
a dog with the
Or Christmas
elf
hat.
Yeah, the Christmas hat. That's what it looks like. A dog with the Christmas hat.
Okay, it's melting in my hand. Was Milo's cute, or was it the same?
It was like a red. He's eating it over there.
The red with the white?
Yeah. I think I'm gonna end off the vlog here. I'm gonna export this footage over, and I'm not even gonna try to edit tonight. I'm gonna wait and start editing tomorrow. So I love you guys so much. I hope you are enjoying Vlogmas, and I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow.